to use as example enumeration, and I will call it gates. That are the different gates when the character would be moving, like walking, jog, and sprint. Okay, let's go back to the blueprint, and I will put a condition here. Let's call it gate, and we'll just cut here and put here switch on gates. Here we drag to get the value, and as you can see, we have three options of execution based on the value of gate. We could also have a switch based on different integer, like I said, switch on int, and here you configure different values, like if you have a small set of values and want to execute different things depending of how this value is set, you can use this, but I prefer to use the enumeration. And let's do the code. I will just copy here and paste. Character is walking. Character is yoga. Character is sprinting. Let's run. Character is walking. That's what was set here. If we change to jog, compile, character is jogging. If I set to sprint, character is sprinting. So I will put here just as an example. I will go deeper in this subject later, but I want you to know this is shift. I will use it to set the gate value. I have this detect if the left shift is pressed. So I will have a default state that is jogging. There is not going too slow, but not going too fast too. And when we press shift, I want to set it to sprint. And when I release it, I want to set it to jog again. And then we are put this here. We can have more than one execution. Let's go like when I press shift, character is sprinting. When I release, character is jogging. Let me just put less time on the sprints. 1 second is fine. Sprinting, jogging, sprinting, jogging. So to implement the walking tool, there are many ways to do this. That's how I usually do this. I will show you. Left control. I like to put it in left control. The basic logic would be sprint, walking, just switching this, and going here also. Now when I press Ctrl, it's walking. When I release, it's jogging. But we have a problem here. When you press both, it say both. We just want to set one. We can put a condition here that's pressed like here. We get the current gait. If we press shift to run and we are jogging, we should sprint. If we are sprinting, we do nothing. If we are walking, we will just jog. And the same here. When we press left control, if we are walking, we do nothing. If we are jogging, we start walking. And if we are sprinting, we start jogging. And two more conditions to not get too much complicated. Let's just adjust here. So we have these three conditions here too. If left shift is pressed, we certainly will not be walking. We can be jog or sprinting. But if we are jogging, it means left control is also being pressed. So if we release the shift, we should go to walking. And if we are sprinting, normally we just go to jog. And here, the same logic. Like we press the left control and release it. If we were walking, it means we were not pressing the left shift, so we just go back to jog. If we were jogging, it means we were pressing also the left shift, so we go here to sprint, and that looks a bit complicated, but it's not. Let's just try it. If we press shift, sprint, release jog, control is walking. So if, like here, we are walking and then press shift, now we are jogging. And when we press shift and start pressing control, we are jogging, but we release control, we are sprinting again. And that's the exercise.